Actually, Sony already provided the remote controller to the TV, and we also provided to the headset. Well, in near future. Yes, absolutely. That is an important point. So that the Sony support the open platform, and we encouraging the providing the open libraries. For instance, I'd like to introduce you the Python. The project later. Definitely the NFC coming this year, 2012, and will increase the number in the next year. For instance, the mobile handset is very coming this year. Definitely WIMA is one of the important events in the Europe dedicating to NFC. That's why Sony being as a sponsor for these 3 years. And we also gave a speech last year in the WIMA USA, and we are happy to join to the WIMA USA this year.
So, what we are showing here on our booth is, and we are really proud of it, is actually the first NFC Forum certified product, which is a contactless reader, an NFC reader that can be connected to typical PCs and provides all the NFC functionality that is certified by the NFC Forum and defined by the NFC Forum. And I must say we're really proud of being the first one with the first product, but still, of course, we hope and we'll see a lot of other products now coming, as there are many in the queues. As Sony, we have now actually acquired the Sony Ericsson, half of Sony Ericsson, and have now our own Sony phones. And since then, we're getting out with them with NFC functionality. So really, this is one of the models we have. There are 3 models already prepared for the market. And one of the nice things that comes with this phone is that there are tags included, and these tags are actually prepared to allow you to organize your day. So when you touch one of these tags, then it sets a lot of actions on the phone to prepare that you, for example, in this case, you are at home, or in another case, you go to work, and when you go to work, you just touch, and then all the environment is set on the phone, so it's set for the business case. And this can be expanded, of course, a lot. Usually these 4 tags come already prepared with the phone and are handy to try out the functionality so that consumers can become aware of what you can do with NFC. Other parts that we are working on is to do more with tags, and for example, to provide them into typical wellness healthcare devices. So like this one, a simple step counter that can be used with a phone to read out the data and also compare it over some time, etc. And now it could be offloaded into the cloud. And this is all thanks to a chip that we provide into the market, which we call this dynamic tag, and comes in different form factors, depends on the deployment someone wants to do with antenna, without antenna. So really easy to integrate. And other devices just to show the range. So this is also an NFC-enabled glucose meter. And it helps patients at the end to record their glucose levels for every measurement. Usually the normal way is they have to write it down and they have to keep track of it. And that makes it a lot easier for these patients to care about their health.